Welcome to this icon. It's gonna be a baby face, but we're gonna do some tricks here. I'm gonna show you some tips that are very useful. Let's start. It all starts with a circle or an ellipse. Click and drag and let's do the ellipse like this. And I want it like to be 100% round, that makes it more realistic somehow. We are at 0.5 and no fill, that's okay. Now we want to add the ears. I'm gonna add one ear from here and another one. I'm gonna duplicate this one. So selection tool V and click, press Option and drag. Press Shift. That's it. I'm gonna select both of them. Ctrl G to group them. Select everything and to center them. So you notice now it's centering the group with the ellipse. I can select them all now and simply Shape Builder tool and join here and join here. So we got the ears, which actually are not even in the middle, but it doesn't matter, it's fun. Let's select now the circle. We're gonna do the eyes somehow. That will be okay. Remember what we do, we select this point only, we delete it. We have a perfect arc if you like. And of course I'm gonna make round caps. That's cool. Let's put it over here. Let's add a circle. Maybe somewhere a circle here. What do you say, guys? Pressing Option and Shift. Yep. We have the eyes. Not bad. Gonna select it and duplicate it. So it comes over here. And same story. I'm gonna select both of them, group them. Ctrl G to group them. Then select the whole thing. This one doesn't want to move. And then we align them in the middle. Not gonna create a nose, we're gonna create a mouth. Same story. Let's give him a big smile. What do you say, guys? A big smile. Let's try. We go for the white arrow, select here, and he has a big smile, which is beautiful. Let's go to stroke and a round cap again. We need to put something on top for the hair here. There are very many options. I'm gonna go for the circle option. I'm gonna go like this, bring this circle just over here. Actually, I'm gonna make it smaller, much smaller, and bring it over here, not in the middle here. Make it bigger. Then zoom in, go for the pen tool and add one over here. White arrow, and maybe I add another one just over here, and another one over here. Then white arrow, and select the one in the middle, this guy, and delete. And now we can position it the way we would like. So it has a nice curve, guys. And maybe you can make it something like this. You don't have to be a circle, by the way, but I think this is fun enough. Let's zoom out and see. That's quite cool. Maybe you should have cut it from somewhere else. I'm gonna cut it just from here. White arrow and select this point and remove it. Come over and just put it here. Yeah, it looks cuter. Something like this. This is your baby. This can make quite a nice icon. Of course, you can select everything and then increase the stroke if you want to. I don't advise the black fill here. It doesn't do well. This is done. The baby, you learned a few tricks and I hope it was useful. We move on to the next guy over here.